In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get articles on Zendesk. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be navigating Zendesk like a pro. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're on your Zendesk homepage. This is the central hub where you'll start your journey. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Help option. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing various resources and tools within Zendesk. Once you've clicked on Help, the next step involves using the search functionality. You're going to want to click on the search bar, which should be easily visible. Start typing knowledge base into the search bar and then press enter. This will direct you to the section where Zendesk houses its wealth of articles and information. Now, after you've hit enter, you'll need to give the page a moment to load. This is where patience comes in handy. Once the page is fully loaded, you'll see an option that says Creating Articles in the Knowledge Base. This is a crucial step, so make sure you click on it. This section is specifically designed to guide you through the process of getting and creating articles. After clicking on Creating Articles in the Knowledge Base, you'll find yourself in the section where you can access articles. Here, Zendesk provides comprehensive resources that can help you create, manage, and optimize articles effectively. This is where you can really explore the vast array of articles available on Zendesk. From here, you can select the articles you need, or even get started on creating your own, should you choose to do so. Remember, the knowledge base is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your support capabilities. Whether you're looking for specific information or hoping to create new content for your team, leveraging this resource effectively can make a big difference in how you manage your customer interactions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get articles on Zendesk. This process, while simple, opens up a world of possibilities for managing and enhancing your customer support experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of Zendesk and other platforms. Happy exploring!